Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So if you have purchased a dash camera in the ongoing Amazon sale or you're planning on getting one, there are 4 important accessories which you should definitely buy and add much more value to your experience of having or owning a dash camera. So what are those important accessories and why you should buy them? Well, I have tried out all of these important accessories myself and I can definitely say they are the best accessories and they are a must buy accessories for every single person who has a dash camera. So let's jump in straight into the video and show you these important 4 accessories which you should not miss in the ongoing Amazon sale. So let's not waste any time and let's get started. So here's the thing, the first accessory which is very important for your dash camera is a CPL filter. Yes, most of you may have already seen it or even installed it in your dash camera, but if you have no idea what a CPL filter is and what it does, you can check out my previous videos and I'll also provide the links to those videos in the description down below. Well, a CPL filter removes all the glare and the dashboard reflection which a dash camera video footage definitely catches, especially in bright sunlit conditions. The CPL filter improves your video quality so much more and gives you a clear reflection free video footage, and this is something which you should definitely want if you have invested so much money into a dash camera. Well, CPL filters are now available for all the dash cameras. Just wait, not all but most of the dash cameras. Yes, if you have a dash camera, the probability of having a CPL filter is definitely out there. I'll give you the links to all the CPL filters which are available on Amazon. The links will be provided in the description below. But just in case if you have a dash camera which doesn't have a CPL filter, just write in the name in the comments and I'll try to find a link for you. Well, this accessory is something which I have personally used, and as you're seeing on the screen right now, a dash camera footage without the CPL filter gives so much of a dashboard reflection, reducing the overall picture quality, the video clarity from the dash camera footage, and this reduces the entire good experience you can get from a dash camera. Adding a CPL filter completely changes that. So as you can see, there is no dashboard reflection or a very minimum dashboard reflection, and this definitely increases the value of your footage. Comparing the footage side by side, now you can clearly make out the advantage the CPL filter brings to the table, and why not buy this when you're getting it at such low prices in the ongoing Amazon sale. A CPL filter is a definite must-buy accessory for every dashcam owner, and I personally recommend it to every single one of you. Well, the second most important accessory which I need to talk about is the suction mount. Well, suction mounts are available for most of the dash cams in the budget range, and especially those cameras which do not come with a screen. And why should you use a suction mount, you may ask? Well, having a suction mount is so convenient because you don't have to use the inbuilt sticker of the dash camera. It's so easy to mount and unmount the dash cam based on your convenience. It is so easy to change the position of the dash camera if you find the position not to be proper. You can do the same if you have used the dash camera sticker and stick the dash camera onto the windshield. You can't later change the position as fast and as easily as you can do with a suction mount. The second biggest advantage of having a suction mount is that you can rotate the dash camera and you can record inside the cabin of the car. Well, you're getting the same camera to record inside the cabin, and at your own convenience you can turn it back and make it record the front of the car. Well, that's a convenience a direct mounting of the dash camera will definitely not allow you. So considering all of these advantages, a suction mount is also a definite must-have accessory for any dash cam, any screenless dash camera which is out there. Again, the links to all the suction mounts which are available with the names of the respective cameras is provided in the description below. Go ahead and purchase it in the ongoing Amazon sale with some really cool, amazing discounts. So talking about the third important accessory, well, here's the thing which we have been discussing from the past few weeks, a OBD2 hardware kit. Yes, most of the latest dash cams now come with OBD2 hardware kit, and in case if you have a dash camera and you want to enable parking monitoring for your car, well, OBD2 kit is a must-have accessory just because it is simply so easy. It is plug and play and you don't have to rack your head over getting a regular hardwiring done. You just have to plug in the OBD2 adapter into the OBD2 port of your car and you're done. You can enable the parking settings in the in-app settings of each dash camera and you can get your parking monitoring started. I have provided links for all the available OBD2 adapters for the existing dash cameras in the description below. So finally, the last and the important accessory is a regular hardware kit. Well, it's possible that your camera is not having a compatible OBD2 kit as of now, but don't lose heart, you can still use a regular hardware kit and get parking monitoring from your dash camera. Your car might be parked in a strange place, your car might be parked in a dark place. You would want to definitely monitor your car and what happens around it. Having a parking monitoring enabled by the hardware kit gives your dash camera the ability to monitor the car even after the car is turned off. Well, I can say that the hardwiring is not for everybody, and it's something which will be definitely difficult for someone who is doing it for the first time. But I have made detailed videos, step-by-step instruction videos, just in case if you want to take a look and learn how to do hardwiring. You'll find the link to that video in the description as well. So in case if you don't have a OBD2 compatible dash camera, there will be definitely a regular hardware kit for which I'll be providing the links in the description as well. So just go ahead and click down on the description, find the compatible hardware kit, go ahead and purchase it at the discounted price on the going on Amazon sale. Well, tell me how this video has helped you out by writing down in the comments. And if this video did help you out, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and smash that like button before moving on to the next one. I'll be bringing up many more interesting videos on dash cameras, and just in case if you're new to my channel, you might have already missed a lot of interesting videos. So I'll be providing a playlist to the entire dash camera videos in the description below. So just check down on the description, watch the playlist, and you'll be definitely blown away. So this was a very special video for today, and I hope you liked it. Many more interesting and awesome videos coming up in the future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.